Guys, good morning. Namaste, sir. So, today we are here on Lal Killa. You can see in the background. So, why here? Basically, today everybody knows that why we are here on Lal Killa. So, there is a task given by our sir, and there is a competition going on in Thrive. So, for that particular reason, we are here on Lal Killa, and there is a very important question assigned by our sir that you have to ask this question to random people, strangers basically, and to know their opinion that what do they think about this. So that question says that why Indians are leaving the country, or the brain drain basically. This is the main task given by us. So for that reason, for that specific task, we are here and we'll be doing this while asking some random questions. So let's go and ask this. Bye bye. So we'll ask some questions to him, and proceeding from the first question is like, what do you think that why do you do this? Is there any specific reason? It is more like others in the they are like giving opportunities. These are
मेरे को नहीं पता तेरे को ही ऐसा पढ़ते रहना
your like efforts you have in India, whatever the efforts you have out of the boost.
Basically, he's trying to say that people are leaving the country because of the facilities foreign countries are providing. So, do you think that what reason is that we are not having a proper correction? Is a being lost.
Yeah, maybe corruption also municipality infrastructure is not
So this is his valuable opinion on this particular points. He has like mentioned basic or the most important things like people are living on the better states, and he's correct. Corruption is also there. Very vast most of the population is so I really thank you. So the next one is Bipindu ji. He's with us. We'll ask the same question to him as well to know his respectful opinion on this particular thing. That why youth is leaving the country, or what is the reason behind the brain drain. Let's hear his
जल्दी से लाइन अप हो जाइए।
इसको हटाओ, इसको हटाओ, जल्दी हटाओ। बाबू चले जाओ।
Sir, do you think that how can we change this? They're from India. I wish him all the day and thank you. as you have seen that we have done this particular task over Lal Killa, and now we are here at Vedic Vision Institute. You can show the board basically. So why here? Thing is, uh, this institute is really very famous, and the thing is, we have got a very humble or a very respectful chance or opportunity to get over here and to ask the questions to the youth. Basically, I'm having this girl, and you know what? We are going to have her respectful opinions on this particular fact that why the youth is leaving the country. So we'll ask her the name first, and then we'll proceed on asking the question. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Kushi.
Yes. So her name is Kushi, and you can see by her face that she is very kush right now. So we'll ask these wonderful questions. I won't waste your lot of time. So the questions is like the question of mine is very simple. Yeah. Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
I think I should also know about your name.
Yeah, my name is Shivam. Yes. So I would like proceed with the first question I'm going to ask, and that question says that why the youth is leaving the country. Do you know that what is the reason behind it? Is it a brain drain basically?
Okay. Do you know what? I have been thinking about this question also. Then when I was in the class, I was thinking about it because my most of the friends they were saying that we love to leave the country, we love to have the countries in the different country, they want to visit it. But I personally think for visiting it's a good idea. It's a good idea, it is very best. But to live there and to get the citizenship over there, that's really not good. And I can say people and on the if you personally talk about the youth, it is on the verge of just leaving the country because of their dreams. They think that grass on the other side always look greener, but it's not. It is really not. They think that the other countries having all the things. They think other countries it is kind of dreamy world. You would get everything here. Nobody gonna ask you the freedom. Even the girls have the freedom. So similarly in our country, yeah, I can say that similarly in our country we are not having that much freedom in our country. The girls are not allowed to go anywhere. The people and the parents are not letting them go anywhere. But sometimes India it is on the verge of developing. It is not a developing I developed country. And if I talk about the other country, they are totally developed. People just think they are just comparing the countries, those who are developed, and our India, it is on the verge of developing, and it is on the verge to be developed country. So we should compare the country. The country is developing, then we should also compare our country, which because it is also developing. And the main thing can be like I have mentioned about the dreams. They are having the dreams to wander the country. And even when I was communicating with my friend, I have mentioned about it. If you are going there, just go on the purpose and the behalf of your dream, not being the situation here. As we know, there are lots of persons who are working there, and even if they are working, so they are Indian, but they have the tag of the India. They are the citizenship of the India.
Yeah.
But if I talk about those persons who are just thinking we should leave there, we want their citizenship, so that's totally wrong. Which is my personal point of view. I would not hurt anyone's feeling here.
Yeah, correct, correct.
So yeah, you need to be the fond of going there, but I personally think it's all about my opinion. We should not leave the country. You are visiting, that's totally fine, but don't leave the country. Our country is best.
So yeah, so her opinion was really tremendous, and the way she spoke, it is also very tremendous. So I would like to ask you another question: that if you got the chance to leave the country on your education or something, you want to pursue a great future, so would you leave the country? Yes, please.
Actually, thing is that you know what I have also answered about this question because people we are having the most difficult exams here, as you know about the teacher one, because the teacher those who are teaching in the government school they have to crack the exams, and that is so
Senior
difficult.
level,
And the NEET
yeah.
and JEE, all exams are very tough.
When I was preparing for JEE, I wouldn't got that. So this is like stigma on me, but yes, yeah.
No, that's not.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the things. And in the different countries, on the other hand, we are not having that much difficult exam in the other country. That's why the people, those who are smart, they are going in the other country for the cracking exam. And after that, when they crack the exam, they come again. They come back again in the India. They be like, now it's fine because we have cracked the exam. We have become whatever we want to become. And that's a really smart idea. If I would love to go in the other country just to crack exam, just to complete my education, then I'm again gonna come back in the India. I would never love to live in the other countries. But yeah,
Yeah.
for leaving for
Yeah.
few days as visiting, yes, I must.
So this was her very important aspects or opinions on this particular uh, topic. So I would like to end this, and I would like to thank her for giving her like valuable time. Thank you, ma'am. After interacting with people from different walks of life, one thing became very clear. The youth is not leaving the country because they lack love for their country. They are leaving the country because they lack opportunities, support, and trust in the system. These were not my opinions, these were the opinions or the voices of people. Voices that reflect frustration and dreams that has a very commendable or very important role. If we truly listen to these voices and act on them, then we will try to understand that why the youth is leaving the country, and we will try to figure it out that what initiative should we take. So by this I would like to end my voice but not my facts. Thank you.